Hello everyone. So today we are going to migrate the time of day system and the rain thunder system and weather system in that we worked on open world project into the shooter project. So you can follow this method to migrate the systems including this time of day, moon and everything we worked on in open world series into whatever the project that you are working on. So here is the demonstration. Now I have added the time of day system here. If I switch to night time, you can see the sky changes, and when I play you can see the stars, moon and everything. And if I increase the, here you can see the time also. So if I increase the time passing speed, now you can see the stars are moving with the clouds, with the moon. And also I have enabled rain as well, that's why this the cloud density increased, and you see the raindrops are coming and the thunder as well. So yeah, these are the systems that we are going to work on today. Integration of open world weather system and time of day system into our shooter project. Hello everyone. So today we are going to look into how to migrate the time of day system that we have implemented in our Unreal Engine 5 open world series into our shooter project. So in the left side I have the open world project, and in the right side I have the shooter project. This is the open world. So alright, let me maximize the project. And also before you try this, make sure that you are in the same version of the engine. So both your open world project, here you can see using 5.1 here in the top right, and the shooter also using 5.1. so it will be fine if you are migrating from a lower version to a higher version, but if you do the other way around, sometimes the blueprints do not show up in the content folder, so that might not work, right? So now what I want to migrate first is the time of day system. So if I browse to the asset, it's inside the BP nature. So let me right click, asset actions, migrate. So as you can see, these are the dependencies of the time of day system. We have this night, day and ambient sounds in the audio folder, and this interface. Oh, what's the folder that I have interfaces here? They're just out in the BP folder, that's fine. And the nature folder, UI assets, fonts. These fonts is used for the time that we show in the top right, and the aurora effect, stars, right? Everything seems fine. Especially what you want to check is if this migrated assets going to overwrite or make any conflicts with the existing blueprints of the other project. So we don't have that here, so it's good. Let me press OK, and my project is in 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐧𝐞 packaged. Select the content folder and select it. So you get this notification because we have these starter content textures already. So I'll press yes to all. Okay. Right. We didn't get any errors, so everything should be fine. Now let's go here we should have, yeah, here, nature, time of day. Let me open the blueprint and see if we have any compile errors. Everything seems fine. So now this, we need to have this setup: directional light, moonlight, and post process volume. So basically we need to have the same lighting setup as this open world project. So the time of day reference only direction light and the moonlight. Yeah, so let me copy these three from this project, copy, and go here. I'll open a test level. Now here we have this directional light, and so after pasting we have the time of day, directional light, moonlight. Let me check, we have, yeah, let me assign, let me delete this directional light now. It has a reference in 𝐶sphere. I'll reassign the direction light 2 as the 𝐶sphere, right, and then restore the sunlight as direction light 2. We already got this 2 because we already had a direction light. I'll rename this as sunlight. And we also need the moonlight, but I think I got rid of that. Okay. Now let me change the time of day and see what happens. Nothing seems to happen. Well, it does work, but this skylight and everything is not changing. So here, let me copy this post process, sky atmosphere. Oh, here we are using BP 𝐶sphere, that's the issue. But here we are using BP sky atmosphere. Right. So let me copy these components also. Light fog, sky atmosphere, post process, skylight, volumetric cloud. Right. Now here I'll delete atmospheric fog, 𝐶sphere. See, we have the moon there. What else? A skylight. Do we have a post process? We do. Let me delete that also and paste our new light setup. Alright. For the volumetric clouds, we don't have the material. Right, we can fix it. Here. This is in materials atmosphere. Let me migrate this. And also into the CodeLikeMe project. Now it should be under materials, atmosphere. Why can't I assign it? Oh, it's not loading. Okay, this seems fine. Why is this not loading? Right, let me delete that and create a new instance. Right, and assign that. Okay, now we got the clouds, but I think we are using this texture, so let me override that. These clouds. Right, now we have better clouds, and our time of day system is working correctly, as you can see. So if I press 8, now we are in the 8 in the morning, and 5 a.m. morning is over there. Right, 24 midnight. If I play the game, oh, we have the stars and this shooting stars and auroras also, which I don't really need. So, but if you don't need them, you can simply here meteor shower aurora, you can disable that. Right, now you see the sky with the stars and the moon, and also you can see the time here. So if I speed up the speed, you shall see moving of the movement of the shadow. Alright, so now we have the time of day system enabled into our open world project, and in the same way you can import or migrate this rain thunder system and the weather system as well. So shall we do that one also? Asset action, migrate. Are we still playing? No. Maybe we'll have to close. Oh. Cloud 4. Right. That's fine. We already have that. What is rain thunder? Right. Now if I copy this, oh sorry, if I copy rain thunder and BP weather and paste, it didn't work. Why not? On the migrated properly. It's under rain thunder. It should be under rain thunder. Yeah, we do have that. Let me open and see. It's working fine. Okay, where is the other? Should be under nature. Yeah, BP weather. That also seems fine. Right, now let me try again. Right, now it worked. So we need to assign sky atmosphere, post-process volume, volumetric cloud, and rain. For the rain thunder, we just need to assign post-process. Okay, now let's enable rain. Yeah, see, right. We don't need to fasten the time. And let's go to daytime. See, the sky is becoming darker. And it's raining. Cool. Now we can kill in the rain. He was going to turn on the alarm. Okay, so that's it. That's all I wanted to work in this episode. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Bye.